Sony ZV-E10 AL's Variety Bundle Review. Worth the hype or just accessories?
Last Tuesday, I was filming a brand deal in my car at 1 a.m. because natural light was gone and my ring light made me look radioactive. The client wrote, "This looks cheap," in the feedback form. I almost deleted the whole channel. Type car shoot if you've hit that rock bottom moment too. Stay with me. You're 4 minutes from freedom.
That soul-crushing weight when every frame reminds you you're still stuck at phone level while everyone else looks pro. Heart racing, palms sweaty, praying the next take won't look like 2012. I was one bad video from losing sponsors. But keep watching. There's a stupidly simple way to fix it without buying $4,000 worth of gear separately.
Everything changed the second I opened the Sony ZV-E10 AL's Variety Bundle. 26 MP, 4K, 10-bit footage that grades like cinema. Power zoom 16 to 50 millimeter that glides silently with one finger. Real-time IAF that locks on faster than I can blink. Product showcase mode that racks focus to whatever I hold up. Directional 3-capsule mic that kills background noise. Fully articulating screen for perfect framing solo. Built-in LED light with perfect color temp. 128 gigabytes of SanDisk cards, 264s. Spare battery plus charger so I never stop. Gripster tripod that wraps anywhere. Wide and telephoto attachments for instant variety, filter kit that cuts glare instantly, and the bag that fits it all. Last week, Marcus was about to lose a 3K brand deal because his old setup died mid-shoot. He grabbed my bundle, filmed the whole thing handheld in golden hour, and the client texted, "This is the best video we've ever received," before he even got home.
I've now shot 12 paid jobs with this exact kit and still reach for it over my A7S III half the time. Gerald Undone said on stream, the ZV-E10 bundle is legitimately the smartest 1K you can spend in 2025. The Verge's tester clocked 610 shots plus 3 hours of 4K on one battery with the spare ready. Basically unlimited. At Hannahlee's just posted, I went from 2K followers to 45K in 4 months because my video quality finally matched my ideas. Thank you, Sony ZV-E10 bundle. Some creators see all the accessories and think it's overkill. Then they try filming a whole day with one battery, no light, and phone audio, and buy the bundle the next day. I did the math. This kit replaced $2,400 worth of individual gear I was about to buy anyway. This is why thousands of us are secretly shooting better footage than people with 8K rigs right now. Which piece would change your game tomorrow? The IAF that never misses, the light that makes you look expensive, or the fact you can literally start getting paid next week? Tell me below.
Imagine waking up excited to film instead of dreading another phone compromise. Thousands of creators have already ditched the struggle with the Sony ZV-E10 AL's Variety Bundle and are finally getting the views and paychecks their ideas deserve. I dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. Just click, see what it's going for today, watch the newest, real user footage, no pressure at all. If it feels right, awesome. If not, keep scrolling. Either way, you deserve to love what you see on screen.